Hello, Igbo ndamanje kenemu no biko. Oge wee sikia attack ya this woman yana J-Pack makana nke he akalia ka ige ya ntino mali na ko ngwan.
This video is for Evergelist Ebuka Obi, Reverend Fad Baka, J-Pack, Njaka, accusations, and Okongwu. Yes, Bobby. Important to my fans and followers. Listen, you see in this life, anything that has to do with condemning a man of God, I advise you to stay away from it. Yes. You see anything that will make you find yourself commenting nonsense, commenting something you're not sure of, I advise you to stay away from it, because when it backfires, anytime it backfires, you're going to get it very hot. Remember, the Bible says, touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm. Why am I saying this? I'm simply saying this because of what happened in the past. When the Zionists were attacking Fad Baka. Yes, I will put it that way. When they were saying Fad Baka preaching was for them and stuff like that. Everybody, a lot of people. What even baffles me the most is that even people that were Catholics, even people that saw the good things Mbaka has done, because there is something about us. Let me not remove myself. There is something about us that I have understood. We are very quick to forget the good things people has done. We are very, very quick to look away from the beautiful things people have done. We are always holding on to whatever we feel that people did not do right. And it's a very bad thing. A lot of you came here. We people, we are saying all manner of things about Ejike Mbaka. So many people, we are calling him names and blah, 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 blah. Now, what is going on? Remember, after all said and done, after all that was said over here, Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka never came one day to this internet to defend himself. He never defended himself. And a lot of you forgot that this man of he is like, hey, oh my word. So what am I saying in the essence? This is not me trying to defend anybody. I am not trying to defend Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. Neither am I defending Evergelist Ebuka Obi. No, but what I'm saying is, looking at what is going on now, if this that is going on social media, if this nonsense they are talking about, that they were paid, I don't know if you have heard it. If you have not heard, go back to Okongwu page and hear it. J-Pack also mentioned something of that nature. Since this J-Pack and Ogechi saga started, I have never commented anything. In fact,
first and foremost, you are a very hopeless human being. First and foremost, you are a very hopeless idiot. That's who you are. You are very hopeless. You don't have nothing to contribute. If you want to go to Congo, J-Pack has already said it. Can't you see how little your brain is? You are very hopeless. Very, very hopeless. Imalife, the same idiot that supported Onyu Obodoless man when he was insulting Ebuka Obi, the same idiot, the same apoma, the same imbecile that came out. Nah, I don't want to support anybody. So you're not woman enough to even stand your ground, to even open your mouth to declare where you're standing. Look at you now. You're not even making sense. You don't even know. Look at the way so you have not had the bonkoro that nothing like that ever existed. Where you have been standing for years. You're useless. You jobless idiot. You're hustling on Facebook looking for money. Who will pay you? Can't you go and look for a job and work? Don't you see me go to work all the time? Can't you see how hopeless you are? You paint on Facebook looking for money. I remember when Army America reported you carried her content. You cried and cried out of this blue app. Because you don't have nothing to contribute than to gossip. Do you even have anything to bring to the world? The one get pipers. Is it true? The one I had, is it true? Only gossip. Gossip. That's all. Stop consuming nuisance. So you think we don't remember who you are, or we don't know where you stand. I remember when Casey when Muchu came out. You came out, you were supporting Obodoless man. Now you want to pretend you're not standing anywhere. Not even your word, 90% of everything you say stated in this video have already declared your stand. You are just a useless, hopeless thing. I just have to tell you the way it is. You are an idiot. You remember when you came out, you was tackling Ogechi Mbekonye Bodomere. Now you came out again to call my name. Chineke Bokwago, you hopeless thing. Amado Hamabukwegi. When that person starts to attack you guys back, I wouldn't know where you know. Yeah? Who are you to tell Ebuka Obi what to do? On what ground, if I may ask you? On what level? Idiot that showcase her stand for a long time. May not support but the less man Bobu Terumuchu, name and arrange, Mbaka Kuresioku. You were not there. So each of you that we knew the first video that you ever conducted on this program, how you stood against Zionites. Now you want to come out and not standing anywhere. Now come on, fuck out of here. You guys will start shit when that person starts with you. You don't know who a bad person. You think I don't know you? You think, oh, I don't remember people that start shit with me. I just act like I didn't hear it. Look at you, very matter advice. If it's not Facebook, who knows you? What can you be able to contribute to the society? And come on, here. Now, look at
I am too matured to do some kind of thing.
You are not.
I can never.
Shut up. Get out. You are not matured. You are matured less. What makes you matured? Tell me what makes you matured if you are on Facebook hustling for money. Can you make matured? Can you make matured? But gossip is what you eat from. Can you create a content without bringing video? Put on car, or without talking about people? Can you run any show on this blue app? Can you do anything in your brain? And when your brain without, hey, you say what on this video? That's why whenever I come across, I just oh my god, my other page, I blocked everything about you. In my name, when I'm a lot of pages, come log one video that will pop out to you, but block for a long time. Idiot. And I be calling him and he's sharing audio. I told him.
If I ever come to the social media to disgrace myself that much, but I think
you're already disgracing yourself. You're already disgracing yourself. You have disgraced yourself. We want content got put on Facebook. That is #1 disgrace. We want content. You jumped out of Facebook, start ranting, looking for money. And when you see name at this Facebook, oh hey, okay, if that's why you guys quickly to go and monetize the page, because you guys are useless and we can call Banuru. That is why you quickly see people's stuff, you carry them to make money. When you report on getting, you are just hopeless. Yeah? When you start prognosing, you are more useless than that thing. You have started, you disgrace yourself from the day you start carrying people's stuff. And I've been able to one of this word. I don't blame you. Now Facebook now, everybody has it at the same level. Who the fuck are you, if I may ask you? Oh yeah, Ebuka Obi can generation again. Oh yeah, fuck off from here, Iso.
that the both of them deserve what they are getting. Yes. You see the way they are exposing.
Come on, shut up. Beshano. Who is exposing who? Orupan aside, the guy will do you the same thing I'm doing JPAC. You're not generated from it. I will do you the same thing. You are just one any base. that you put your mouth where you're not supposed to put mouth. Don't let disgrace go. You already disgrace yourself because we want to you're number one that disgrace yourself. When you both of you that disgracing who? You are an idiot that talk, carry people content, put together, now acquiring on a Facebook. Can't you manufacture your own content? Can't you do something and create something? Hey, you could get it. Okay, now make a cartoon on Elena TV. Now make a Tom and Jerry. Are you not the one disgracing yourself? You are an idiot, oh. You're a very hopeless idiot. That's what you are. I don't know. You better be in your advice. What is your business and what I defend and what I don't defend? You don't imagine a baby. Imagine who you have been supporting before now. And I call it in a broom
themselves. I am saying big kudos. It is fine. But what am I saying?
What am I saying?
If what Okongudibia has said that they were paid to say those things against Fad Baka.
You know how stupid you are. You know how hopeless you are. If we were to they back one say that. So because of Okongudibia said it, and he did not hear another person that said that because actually you gossip like a market woman. That is where you belong. You did not hear other videos that were made to counter. Don't worry, very soon it's just a matter of time. All of them that said it very soon. Foolish things everywhere. That is the only thing you guys know how to. Bad thing. Anything I go kukubara no. You did not hear when I came out, when the lawyer came out, when I stood and dispute it. Your gossip ear did not hear that one. Cause get I can't get it and get it. I threw the game upon no kuku. Na koeri. That is what I'm happy with the gotten. And I'm happy at the gotten. Also,
which JPAC has mentioned before that immediately he apologized to Fad Baka. That was when the Zion people started fighting him.
And that makes it true. Madam Gossiper, that makes it true. That has declared it true. That makes it true. But the ones I'm saying about JPAC is not true. Right? The one I'm saying about JPAC, what he said is not true. But the ones JPAC said, because he in a gentle no Zion. Zion and the JPAC makes it the truth. Don't like a brain get it. That Bruno, bunch of idiots everywhere.
And listen to which was the reason I added Evergelist Ebuka Obi.
Imagine
Evergelist Ebuka Obi. I'm not going to say that what JPAC or Okongudibia has said is the truth, but I am also going to say that there is no smoke without fire.
And there is no smoke too without fire. Now tell me bedo your matter. Tell me bedo your matter. You know, say on a good day, people don't day, on a good day, look for people trouble. When I start now, they tell when people said about you too, you will come to deny, say, there is no smoke without fire, you go to cry. Now, so when it starts. Yeah? When they come and say, everybody know how much lie. You can't even put a common sentence. Yeah? There is no smoke without fire. Who are you talking to? Are you talking to little children? Who is this idiot woman? Are you referring to your mother? Are you referring to Negi, that idiot woman that couldn't give you a normal training? Are you referring to your mother? Huh? Alright. Alright. ụmụaka agbagacha boy nọ under their oga boy na-ezu ego ya na-azụ phone bịa na-abịa Facebook ọya otilo you guys are not here ihe ahụ boy department ọya ọ dị so much na-agba boy ọya tekere no phone here ndị agha kidnappers ndị chọgo oge echelọta Nigeria bịa kidnap ọya otilo mam ọya ozu oya shouldn't go for on. This place is not meant for all of you. Nde Zion na afọ fananti. The useless omenala bunch of idiots. Christian emeruno, Christian emehuno. Ozu bunch of fools. Oya, biya no kam na opinion ofu. Bunch of idiots. Nde Zion no ge egbu ha. Zion ministry has come to stay. We don't give a fuck. Oh yeah? Dala. Bunch of idiots. Who called you in this case? Inno no kong. Inno no kong bukuru. Okong bukuru. Gapota claim on always yoku. But you did not hear all the debunks we have been debunking. E potara na punwe ga asu akwa Zion ministry oge egbu ozugbo unu niile Zion matter go kweme all of you oya get out shinga afọ akwa Zion Zion was the worst thing that have ever happened to all of you. Akwa mola akporo ihe gbasara obi ozugbo na eye wanti oye amadu ohan na ehie bo shepota ablock wala am the idiot. Don't waste your time to reply the idiots. Akwa Zion mata ga-egbu unu. Zion to were J-Pack ebe on today. Zion issue to were here. Zion get destroy chun niile. Conditioner J-Pack no today. Zion bito. Go up young. I want him. He didn't know what I'm carrying sealed on all because of Zion. Zion get unu niile. Akwa Zion mata egbu hunu. Zion mata e destroy hunu. Mama na wuhu na wuhu Zion no wa. All because of I show putara to get the Zion. Na Zion jikwa share near poison. I want him. I even sent him a message. You go collect woto. I don't know who this particular issue muna ya karami chete iho merem yes. Karami chete mo chibu puten na mo. All because of Zion. Akwa oje bushichu unu ni ofu. Keep pointing at Zion issue. Oge bu unu niile. Yote gene laronya okpa bula ya nkapi laronya okpa bula ya yebu hu na gi condition oge do ma gi ga puta n'ime ya e ga puta n'ime ya willingly ebe Zion Zion riri chinu ri ede nnu imagine atonu with the one content atonu like cannot put up a show. He's advising Ebuka Obi. Imagine an idiot. We put on support over the last man and one about Zion war. You think I did not remember it? You was busy sharing his video, supporting him. Now you want to come and claim that you are in the middle. Like all your statements here. I got 2 years. I'm a happy belong.
I'm going to say that in every gossip there must be a of truth. It might not be exactly how it happened. You, Ebuka Obi, might not know that something of that nature is going on.
Could you imagine?
You have to caution that
without Facebook money. I got hunted about to program.
That man is actually doing a lot of harm. More than
Elala. You can't even pronounce word very Elala. Ibega modelize the channel their tongue. Ya lala. Ako your mates. Ako we mother your mother that murdered your papa. Ako no your mates. You're calling up. Inaka if I can guy. Inaka if I can for you. What cage korogenak? Who the heck are you? So that time you were supporting Matthias. That time you were supporting sorry, man. Ebuka Obi. You did not come and give Ebuka Obi advice. Say, stay away from Akon. That time we were here defending Amusula, defending Ebuka Obi, standing tall against Amusu like you. You did not come and tell Ebuka Obi, say, make gonna leave these people up. Now you won't come and advise them. As you say you be PA, or you be Gene, as say you be member. But excuse me, what is even your position to open your mouth to talk trash? Yeah? What is your concern in Ebuka Obi matter? Joking. When we were busy, I could not talk. He put his social media in a normal place. You was busy supporting Udela. All these idiots that ganged up against Ebuka Obi are now giving Ebuka Obi advice because they could not bring us down. They could not shut us down. Now, the only strategy could come and give advice. People that will be around you. But that time, you guys were in one corner, fighting tooth and nail to destroy Zion. Now, you went at the courts because you guys could not intimidate people standing on the right side. Now, it's like advice. I want to even understand. Say you be who? But I'm standing. All of a sudden now, it was a good advisor. Agama bia Nigeria sheep unegi mwana a bastard like you. Inshallah negi decide to give back to give you back to a reasonable person, not giving back to a bastard like you. Or did they get Nigeria? You want to go? Keep asking, come Nigeria. You can't do anything now. America so gonso. Atono, ipegija abora visa bia America so gonso. I don't want to belong in Okomo. I belong here. If you have any problems, just be here. Every day, Zion. Zion, really come to no. You see the reason why we started fighting. Oh, Mbaka. We accuse this person angry. We accuse this person angry. Madam, go inside. Continue they carry people content in it because in anything, all you're fighting is this money, a little money and anything. Even with the you don't have anywhere you are here now. Let Facebook come out this money. I don't know why Facebook will still put this money. Facebook will remove a account. That turn your hand on this blue app. That's Chororo. Go and get a job. Oh yeah, let me block it. Oh yeah, Otila. Go look for job. Oh yeah, man, do la putana go sumria do what. Go and look for job and get yourself busy. Maybe you brand ga bukoton maybe we who no content to create. Ya wuru wo ga bia soro mba mo onye choro gi ga chogwara ya. You want to go? Look at an idiot telling daddy to park. And I go to Mara. And nobody. Wash it. Nah, I don't know why Facebook cannot just remove this money. Remove this money. For them, hey, let's go to TikTok. Oh, TikTok they give money. TikTok they give a gift. Let's go. If they not get them, they rush out. Hey, Facebook. Oh, bro, nothing good comes out of these people. Now money. When anything good. And I call it.
This is the simple truth. I don't care if Zion is going to come for me. I don't care if the Zionites are going to come for me. But I will be speaking the truth.
You don't have the truth. You can't even phantom truth. Come on, Shinga for us. Come on, Shinga for us. You can't even phantom truth. More or less to truth. Imaro truth, amaroge. Imaro truth, you don't know where it come from. You are just an idiot. Imalo truth amaloge. You are an idiot. Makachi. Imalife.
Is doing damages to Zion.
Oh, Naka couldn't make damages to Zion. So when I go arrested this idiot one boy Udela. So Ako was not doing damage. When Ako came out and gave us peace in this blew up, he wasn't doing damage. That time he was supporting Obodoles man by bullying Zion. It's not, Ako was not a good person. Oh, Ako was not doing damage to Zion. Oh, really? So no piano that's standing by Zion. That means Ebuka Obi now with a good people. What a brainless idiot. So, I won't get enough. When you guys that means we will become good persons. Nopa. Ooh. Okpala no now. Okparuna akpa. Ele chana mo get no. Mshima bagen ketino she you need a reply. You need a reply. Cause so many no do. Go no bodo. You started with me. You said ma bagen ketino. I did not even reply you. Mama wagging kitchen. Yeah, no. Sometimes I got waroshi. Oshishejire boya. You want to go? So that time when Ako was standing firm, standing tall, you didn't. Ebuka Obi, where were you? Mahu de la potashi. Ebuka Obi, I will kill you. I will queme you and queme your twins. You was there cheering Udela up, right? You did not come out and do what Ako did though. You did not come out and do it all. That time Akuwonyo me Ebuka Obi. Right? So after all said and done, now you know that Akon has realized something. Gabashi Ebuka Obi remove Akon. Say Akon are your problem. Bukura kole belono. Joma zueshimoru. I saw how you support Matthias that time on a boy Ebuka Obi war. I saw how you supported Obodoles man. Don't Shabo Ebuka Obi war. Oh, now Akona and Ogechi has become a bad person. Oh. What an intelligent bastard. Gee. That devicer. A devicer kill me and bury me, make her no leave, make her rest. That devicer. Look at an idiot. I got done on Facebook could be a disgrace somewhere. You're already disgracing yourself by carrying people content. What did you say? I said this. He said this. Okay. You can't even manufacture your nothing. You already go and watch that thing in me. Came on my party. And when I party, that's rubbish in the then I try to go Facebook. Hey, what did you say? You say what? Hey, look at it. Oh yeah, Chidamaki say what? Are you not the most hopeless Apareko? You cannot disgrace yourself. And I call you. Bamuda Apare, Utom and Jerry. Tom Baleba, Jerry Abareba. Content, I will content. How will we hegi? Yes, you know. He remiss each other, get remiss here, remiss here. And I shall. And when Apareko Karia go and monitor yourself. Aparika Korogeka. Because he don't even have nothing to contribute. He will have anything in this blue app. He will anything in each. Now, come on, go and start creating something with your common sense. Stop fooling on yourself. I brought out to my Jamaican on collect. I brought out to hook up. That time with the collect. I brought out NGO on collect. I brought out to support people on blue app on collect. One more things you on collect will be for a Ogechi. Content hook up remove here suit efegi nane panty J-Pack is nane panty make content Obodoles man is nane panty make content man just yo Is it not the same content in Menashe or Togechebu? Now they intentionally wore the pants themselves. I am confused here. Can somebody put me together? Can somebody now put me to straight up? I get in a woman one auto. I can have a jepa. Even I took a video and I like a boy who did in a comment section. Now, the late jepa, Jacka, about a slow panther. I just don't understand. The same ideology that I brought out, that all of you criticized, you guys are now using it to make fucked up money on this blue app. What did you guys ever manufacture on this blue app? The how to open page. I showed it almost this content creator. Go and debate it. And I call it. And when I came with a brain, do you guys even have common sense to do anything creative? For where? For where? Oh, I'll get you. Can you know me put it here? And this blue app come through. All the same content when all of you legally wrote today. That time I used to call it to hook up. I used to call it because Facebook has strike a mother hook up name. Before I change here. And I call it. It is in matter gonna blue app when you put it here. Me. My baby to personal accounts is okay. My baby to pop people. How to help them. Which one I know? Before my tires started. I was the first person. And when I go to brain, you know, put it. And I call it. Alright. Otilo, the BEM support you nonsense. Shingapo. Get the fuck out of here.
Because it comes out. Whatever, blah, blah,
Whatever.
blah, talking about on this internet.
Number one, you go and change this motherland. Mother tongue. You're not the only Anambra woman. I'm also an Anambra woman. Go and change this your fucked up motherland. You better change the channel. Oh yeah. How idiot and she lot Nigeria can be. He pull up. I can't be target barage. Go and change your mother tongue. I'm from Anambra. You're not more Anambra than me. Change it and change it. Change it. People twist it because on a here at times. Go and change it. You don't have nothing to out. Hello. You begin switch channel. They don't switch and finish. You better create content. Na sukonye shibusha kopotaya. Na koi. Lady Jot better your mother advice. Lady Jot.
Who exactly is Akosayo?
Because it's a big name. Ya wouldn't know where her name. I show onye name me. I say when he hear jakuru gekpe. Oshi madu ana oya ka na anu aha. Akosayo is somebody that you can never be. Or like him babia we. You know on social media, he will not, but who knows you? He don't rain before. Can't you do something to make people know? We want to see the things you can come up with. Not the one. Akazaya. Oh, no, we give because I have the less man. We not support here. And I will delu. Matayas. Because the thing can't they choke you. It don't they choke you. The thing don't they wind your brain. Akazaya. Yes. He merits it. He has to answer that name. Ya they game mabu. Apono na yano Nigeria. Una na echem lota. Apono na yano Nigeria. Una na choge musu demons that manufactured from the pit of hell.
Is Akosayo also called as a man of God? Imagine. Or what? Evangelist.
I am not good working before Galola wine. Make conversation with the woman. Onyo making sense now. Onya now making sense. Is Akosayo also called as a man of God? So whoever that supports man of God is also called as a man of God. Are you okay? Some people, okay here. Before you settle down with any woman, make conversation, make intelligent conversation to see the level of brain in a make you hear with. Forget that shower open laps, they show you laps. I'm telling you the truth. Open sense of conversation. Given at the level of whoever you are dealing with. You just have the people they just open their mouth and talk rubbish. Hold on, let me reply here. Hold on. Oh, I'm trying to reply. I show you. We need your child picture. Hold on. I can try. You don't need to. I'm gonna JPAC. JPAC picture. So you need the child picture. Joy JPAC. Oji one of them. JPAC umpofu. Open near umpofu. So reply other comments again. Let me block the idiots. Don't need to be here. Okay. Aware. How idiot? On your womb place. On your womb place. Every day I'm on your coco. Tomorrow I'm one any pusu. Ejila ninkubeta na pata. Tomorrow I should not because of Ogechimido or join or Gazi Zion. And when anybody in Zion, you need the guy because without Zion, you got motion. And when anybody Zion Kayaga, we need to die inside Zion. Because all black are alive again. You are dead. And which are people don't know why. But they no go Zion again. You should be the last person to open mouth and say you don't want to go Zion. Zion question where you go and die in it. Because all black that won't be through na Dubai. That won't be with a lamb in a Tokashicha. All black revive ya. Nothing more. Of course, I am JPAC. I have to manage yes, I am JPAC. All he can produce is an imbecile children, including Opan near. Of course, I have slept with him before. Are you just finding out? I'm on an imbecile. Is he not the father? And when I was a Choremana, when any other thing, he Chore Jonah. And when I was a Choremana, without what I just told you. The share good picture can down. I am no. I won't deny him because I will imbecile. Yes, he needs to be proud of Momo. Upon a name road to Yamotu. So blood what they can produce is imbecile children. Because I rush am I saw a mistake. That's what made them two. I should have not locked the two inside. So the tune inside there. Dala. And when another question, rubbish.
Kobe, my advice to
Imagine
you, I want nobody to give you advice, but at least
I'm happy you know that you are nobody. So why did you open this nobody mouth talk? You know you have realized that you are nobody. You still opened the nobody mouth and still spoke. Shikagi is irredeemable. Somebody knew that you are nobody. You still opened this your deadly fucked up mouth that made you nobody and still spoke. You knew you are nobody. You still open this your trash. That what rubbish. Still open it and talk. The most foolish person on earth. Dala.
Father Ada Biafra.
The Biafra.
You're also a Biafra man.
Ada Biafra. How can you tie everybody share with Biafra? Or everybody will Biafra. That you a Biafra doesn't mean that every Igbo man believe that they are Biafra. Or every Igbo woman. You see how you're talking out of point. You are a useless idiot. Ada Biafra. Ada Biafra. Ada Bilanire. She's so galani hanya mishia no dear. Na koiri. Anybody mind dear your cartoon character where you they play where you can't even play. And na koiri.
I will have to advise you as my brother.
Imagine.
Listen, sir. You see all
you don't have no capacity. You are you should shut your trash. Iruro. Mishono. Shh. Keep quiet. Shut up. Iruro. You are nobody and it's coming from a pit of hell. Iruro, come on, face your front and continue to be useless as you are. Who the heck are you to advise Ebuka Obi? Kiji Wuronye. Onye mere gide advisor. Who the fuck are you? Tonda babu okpegishi na ogechi na mbutere na mo ako and who else butere Zion ahụ ọjọọ. Tonda babu. You that is a demon. that when the downfall of Zion ebutebere ahụ ọjọọ ya wuru oge echi.
These people around you.
Imagine.
You see from Ogechi Njaka. You see in case of
may thunder strike you for mentioning my name. May thunder strike you. May you remain useless and depend on Facebook money until the rest of your life. May you never honor hijiri Ogechi Njaka thunder gababugi. Maka Chineke honor hiji mepe onu to mention my name. May that mouth to seal with that Facebook rubbish money where you dey look for. It's horrible. It's horrible. And I be mentioned. Okay. Where put picture on my wall go? Remove my picture from your wall. I'm sending you this courtesy. Remove my picture from Chineka Bongono. Remove my shape from your wall. Idiots. Na boge ana boge gena ana boge. Is it not the same way I should know about ebi no wakuna? Kenaba. So there is atom of truth in here. Ebu pite ana koma magena. Then me give me name je package pack vampire jizochi. In fact tomorrow join me ano. Apa kwa gisi there is atom of onye kwokwa there is atom of truth na ye we megiwe. Akwe bela be so no na. Of course now. Get the fuck out of here. Why are you listening to me either way? Fuck off from this page. You don't need to be here. If you don't like the fuck out. I don't please on y'all, man. Dara.
J-Pack, all of them, and so many other people coming online to defend Zion or coming very close to the violence simply because they want one interest or the other.
What interest do we want? Because we are not defending the people you want to. When you was defending Obodo Less Man, do you want any interest from Obodo Less Man? When you was busy defending, when I was staggering with Obodo Less Man, you was defending Obodo. What interest do you have when you was defending Obodo Less Man? I want you to come and tell me. Madam Advisor, we defend the Matthias. Defend the Udela. What interest? Because I heard you when Udela was arrested. You came out on your platform talking rubbish. What was your interest then? What was you defending? Actually, big joke. Oh, I know you want interest, but you don't have interest. The ones you're doing. We are the one who interest, but you know cheap pilot, but you don't get interest. The ones you are defending. You see how stupid you reason. You see how useless all of you reason? Because we are not on your side. Now we have interest. If you're on your side, we don't have interest. But your side, you know, interest to get defend that side, you know, not joking. Get this side, what prompted you to start defending that side? If I may ask you, man of God, you're welcome.
Evangelist, I think you should do yourself this favor.
Imagine
by cutting off.
Could you imagine?
These people, they do not mean well. They do not mean well. Imagine.
And also, like you, a demon, a diabolical idiot like you that meant well, was busy supporting people that want Zion to me. You meant well and we don't mean good. Yeah? You really meant well and we do not mean good. When we were defending, you were supporting the people that even said they will Ebuka Obi and the Ejike and the Maya. You meant well. What an irony of a bastard idiot you are. Eh? You meant very well. When Obodo Less Man came out that when you muchu na ihe niile warenji, you meant well. You that want to destroy the same Zion, you meant well. We that defending Zion, we are the one that meant bad. One card, the one this was the get us in bio. Child. Wow, the Igbo. Where devil now meant well for Jesus Christ. Nah, Hey, Jesus Christ, this life we get as it be. Make we listen to the bastard. I don't want to waste time anymore.
What they wanted to cause you and your godfather. Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka is your godfather, a man that transferred his anointing to you. Yes, because any man of God that laid his hand on your head, it simply means that he transferred the anointing. You so much believed in this man. Ebuka Obi, you believed in Reverend Fad Baka. What went wrong? The only thing that went wrong.
Hey, I don't want to say something about Mbaka, because I have a lot of followers that love Mbaka. So I want to just allow this idiot to come, because a lot of people that called me that love me say, you know. I don't want to go that route, because a lot of people that follow me that love me to death, they love Mbaka. I don't want to go there. But I don't matter on that. I just want to put on a boom when I hey, I am the body some Mbaka party with the Ganan kitchen. Hey, Wapuya. Hey, Wapuya. Come, just we ask. Come, you ask.
Was the people around you? The people around you are the problem you're having, sir. They are the problem you're having. All these things going on social media is bringing Zion down. It's bringing Zion down because a lot of people.
Shut up! Shut the fuck up, Meshano. Until I'm one nigga one again, generation down, another generation and more, nothing can bring Zion down. Zion keep going higher on daily basis. I go like out of this last time 5 billion. Lay America got next year. Make una they wait for Zion downfall. Lay America got no. See, we have won many souls for Zion, as you see it now. Many people. How many people who should now join Zion? You'll be shocked. Just because of the love for Zion. She and just to click go to join the goodie. I will force you to click and watch. I will force you just to add the goodie, join the goodie. Watch and see what will happen next year. Oh, so you think this on a little circle and when you guys are bringing Zion down? You think this few percentage you're gonna bring? Come on, go inside. You try Zion your mate. You think Zion is your mate? Zion is something that is. Which English will I use? Zion is an epidemic. Zion is like a virus. Zion is a contagious virus. You want to go? Go my head. We hear the contagious. In Haiti, Zion is like Ebola. It must affect everybody. Zion were moving train. You know, who told you? Please, you better open your eyes. When you defend it, when you daga, cause Zion jega up. You better open your eyes because I'm on the old one. Me pay her boy white. Zion Ebu should be the pretender. I love Jesus. My mother is a Christian. Ya porini woke gawana roshi. The church na cover njo. O kam mani ye na eme una na ho ha. Ya na emepo na anya. Zion has gone beyond any man's imagination. It's a God. I mean, it's a God divine movement. Oh yeah, come on, fuck off from here. Come on, she got for us. I shall here no be your mate. Uno bacha upon destroy chomuno. Una moto muno na Zion. Because daddy bene me bere. Oh pano. Mono bagana engwe ma. Unkewo ejole nege koroko. Yes. And when a 7 disciple, Peter and Ebuma, Judas betrayed. John Meregene, Onyola one and a boom iti she and Yatari here. J-Pack with Judas is a betrayer. Did you feel it? J-Pack is a Judas. Orara Jesus inye. Oberera nye na kandiru ani. Ana akuchapoya. Mo ke Peter will fight to defend what I love. My faith, I stand to defend it. When I'm Jigusharagi, I go from Judas. No, J-Pack is Judas. You want to go? I want Peter. When they can abu, when they can, everybody will honor ya. Na 12 disciples. So each one, everybody got in the same line. You want idiots. Only la choose wala in the corner. As far as all the same chukuka in abo. As far as all the same direction I get. Each oga ba through opo. That oga ba through ale. Paul oji shoma baru okem. Did you get it? I know you guys IQ the very poor. You can't magnet where I'm going. You want to go? Actually, Ije this side. Ebo no soro gigate. As far as only like that's the bottom line of it. So choose your part. HREG as a part of that. Ndechore prayer warrior. You defend them on your way. Ndechore wu hana mali elu dia na akwaka pam. Ndechore wu position na Zion enwe. I don't need position. Huna position on social media. Did you get it? Position on na Zion on social media. Onye ola nwere ebo side there. Ụfọdụ wunde echeka nga he ja akwaka patan. Ụfọdụ wunde bia nwa aza he. Onye ola nwere aka ọrụ ya. My department wu here. Someone no yanda musu what department man no lomaya here. Come on, get out of here. J-Pack cannot connect him to Zion. Give me. J-Pack connect him to Kogineme. My block good language. Get the fuck out of here. Because it won't work. J-Pack connect yamu to Kogineme. My happy only connect him na ya buya. Gineme zi. Or when you chupro me no boy ashin amadu chupro ya. Ngozi, what do you want to do for me this morning? Ngonnemo. Yo lare ge mage menam biko. Yo lare no ge menam. Menam yo lare ge ma. Dala. Ha chere onye ola ga na abia na akwa aka. Patam. No! Munanna mu na ru koru. Munanna mu botu. Onye huru m n'anya ahụ wonnam. Anom this side ihe department m. Giche na office in different departments. Onye nka na ede, onye nka na ego, onye nka. My department cannot hear. You want to go? So, una when they see me as a me, I will move because uno man I will pen uno. I'm a problem. J-Pack when they see them. Plan your plan again. Bia lose Zion ogo. I'm a problem in time. Yes. I'm a problem because all plan a channel within those two ya. J-Pack a plan a channel. Mbao yana ex-convict puta here. Ya puta this side. Mbao mchizre ha buwako. Ka ha matara na okwu adabiela 220. Na ha buwa gawazi gapo warose. Ha gawazi gapo warose. What started the main problem? Mjitete J-Pack iberemo. Kehe pitoro ya. Hapu Ebuka Obi. Hapu 100 days aka. Hapu Zion aka. Kasha mpana ya gano. And that gramashi Zion ebu huna gieto. And that Zion ugebu ya. Dala. Mbaka mjitetere yashi. You mocked my father. Yes. For those of you na benako. Yes. You humiliated my father. Mwakiji mkanji meperegi. Odu ndu alaba. I just will make you ya. Na koiri. You know, Zion. Department no. So you guys should be guided. This is my department. Onyo wola. Oh yeah, get the fuck out of here. You're not in any position to do. Oh yeah, don't mean that. Behind any advice. Ndo tu mataya behind any advice. Ndedi behind any advice. Oh, joya. Yeah. Ndedi behind any advice. Omina that don't believe in Zion will claim to be Zion. Here will a picture go between there. Deceive gullible ones. You tell by their comments they are not for Zion. Here with just strategy. They will open fake accounts. Zion ministry, Zion car, Zion better, Zion car. All of them now fake. Now people that are from Ndomenala. They cannot advise me. I'm not going on social media for long. So you get deceived with all these newcomers. Owanya buila bujiama. Zion ebu hunan this blew up. Manano shebe kampo. And when who church, and when any Zion church belong guru here. Yapa no to the position. Let's assume you think, okay, I'm looking for position in Zion. I'm not a member. I know they go church, they go work every Sunday. I do not go to church. Okay, dear work. Oh, she's not a member. I'm got my department. And leave my department alone. Who will defend this department? Let me ask you. If I leave this side now, can you defend? You can't even walk this part. Even I got okay, you cannot when I him get more powerful. I can be going to church every Sunday, clapping, singing. But you cannot do this one. I can make a gimekemo, but you cannot combine my own with yours. So no eba here no. They that side. No eba here no jama. This my side is too difficult. Oh yeah, one of the tax departments in winning. So no kegi. For those of you in Ashi, I get you this, I get you that, I get you cannot do it. Okay, they are aware of it. So okay, they are aware. But I get you. I will say no. Onyola when born. Akwe when I demean na Zion. Akwe when ende wo usher. Akwe when ende wo singer. Akwe when ende wo band akwe when onye na agu egwu. Onyola na mecha one thing. This is my area. Nga wo area mo. And I will continue to do it on this side. So yare gemma brema package is none of my business. I'm not interfering in your area. I don't know why you guys always is a lie. Department he gave Melia. Or it takes by God's grace to be on this department. So no eba heno. Fema kegi me fema kegi. Zion is for ndola chuzuru ko woruke. And I've chosen my area.
You have questions to ask. Look at what these people are reviewing. All of a sudden, J-Pack left in the Tibia.
Rush to Zion and start carrying Bible up and down. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that everybody on this space are fools? Like, listen.
You are a complete fool because brain gaze you're not even making sense. So you want to tell me that Oyedibia cannot repent and start going to Zion? Yeah, I will fool. You are a fool. You are number one capital fool. We are number one capital. You're number one capital fool. So your mind, all of a sudden, J-Pack cannot repent and go to church. Just that is a Judas. Just that is a Judas. Anybody can repent. Even Matthias can start carrying Bible today. They preach gospel. Now, I'm just giving you offline. You do okay. You're not even when everything you said here. You are talking gibberish. Without no sense.
With all due respect,
imagine
you don't need people like accusations. You don't need people like J-Pack. You don't need people like what is her name? Ogechi Njaka. This is the simple truth.
And don't need Rigi. And don't need idiots like you. Only the amusu like you. Madam Advisor. Only dirigino. Only dirigi. You that was busy supporting in the church Zion Ebu. Ogi Kodi diri. Hey, clap for her. Abala first in a class. Clap for her. Adade Olama. Asa Zion. Our best advisor. Only dirigi. We need you. Oga chupu ako. Chupu ogechi. Only dirigi. What on your brain? Chai.
if you do away with this kind of people, I assure you, you see your ministry, you are a man of God. You are a man of God. There is no two ways about it. But all these things that are coming up now is making us question a lot of things.
A lala. Who care whether you question a lala things? Onye care whether your question whenever you keep questioning yourself. After you finish questioning, you re-question again. You keep questioning. Gana answer onwegi. I question onwegi ga answer onwegi. We know they say you know they still say when they exist. No, now they notice them. Zion is too loud to hear somebody. Hello. Zion is too loud, too sound to recognize a damaged voice. Zion is too powerful. You don't even exist. In a quorum, onya anti-Zion. Anti-Zion. Idiot na bezine anti-Zion. Onya bumba unya potarishi. Yakojo. Why would Matthias be arrested? Why would Tudela be arrested? Why would nobody is saying the truth? Idiot na bezine. Hey, chileke. Because she want ya merema cartoon character ya because she ya bruma content in the mother ya burishi we yike. Choma oje read your Facebook. I need to apale go Facebook. I need you to defend what is right. Because what do? But when only I just chara corner. Now Zion will go no go area. We know they notice him. He does not exist. And onwe who the moral rights. Onwe who the moral right to come and stand and talk to us. Lie. Iprona gear. You iso. I go progena phone.
It's shown a lot of things. This is the simple truth, sir. That of Fad Baka is what is eating me so deeply, and which is the reason.
No. If he has eaten you, why me at the same time? Can't keep porn at this. And why I'll go him mad or lemon. Yana get out. Even you too, self, in a yan sobu here. When I clear road, or get so an adoration, follow them there. If he eats you that much, one clear on your road. I don't the cancel, clear road for us. We don't give a fuck. And you carry against so much, mabu omegi. Only carry against so much, mabu omegi. Equal and Mbaka today because even that how he get defend don't we get chiga kuru no menala. The day we start with omenala, gap one omenala. One day if you start with another one, gap one another. Come on, go and sit down. Go and sit down. You're confused than he nako. I don't know.
I mean what you're hearing me saying right now.
Right now.
Evergelist Ebuka Obi,
Could you
my
imagine?
dearest brother, please set the record straight. Let these people that are saying that they are coming out to fight for Zion ministry, tell them to stop. Put a stop. As a matter of fact, nobody to fight for a ministry. A ministry will always back themselves up with prayer.
So what were you guys doing when you guys were defending Mbaka? Can you know Megaden? Can you go over the last man Megaden? What were you all doing? Nah, can you Megana? Ishan and Kedi the Giri no be won't come back. Can you Megana? If nobody needs to fight for any ministry. What are you doing now? Or what have you done before?
This is the simple truth. You see what the adorers are doing. The adorers, you hardly see them coming to fight. You hardly see Fad Baka coming to say one or.
We are not them. We are Zionites. We are not them. I name. See, every church when their doctrine, You cannot use another church to compare us. We are different people. May your own. You know who do major system? You know the see do major way. Hey. You know the see do major system of ministry. You cannot tell Jimoje, you know they see Mbaka, make it behave like Mbaka. Everybody went their way and the people that support whatever they are doing. Church and when people differently. You can't see, you cannot say Onya Nemenko. You cannot use anything to compare us. Uno when nke ya ko shi eme nke ya. Mere nu nke unu, una own and our own no be the same. Una act achọtazi nsogbu na put things together. Mgbe mmadụ kwuru okwu na ya roshi ikuga, you are saying against somebody. Okwu unu na put a problem. When I don't start another problem. Every time when they with Mbaka issue, now compare. As soon as when they defend Mbaka, when they defend Zion, no, when they start this problem. You don't they carry. I don't know control. I can make well something. I said something against Mbaka. You see, no, they carry problem. They enter where problem no day.
Western people are doing all those kind of things.
Imagine.
But any little thing, accusations is going up and down looking for who to arrest.
We will arrest. We will arrest. Whoever alleged must prove. Gather your own team and start arresting. You shut up. If you cannot do it, you mind your lane. Focus, wait to focus you. Did you hear what I said? I could not be blogger, you be blogger. You don't they blog your own. I could they do what they do best. Focus your own. Mind your fucking business. If you want to join to be arrest department, you start. If you don't like it, you do your thing. Mind your business again. No talk, no get yourself involved in something that will make them to arrest you. Simple, case closed. I remember if I could arrest you now, you call very dark man, you're wasting your time. Very dark man connection, not just a small boy. Not just a small boy. I bet you. If you see, make una go find trouble. Una go find trouble. Una go put the name on the connection, connection. Una go say, Papa pass him, Papa pass your mama. I couldn't look for so. I bet you go peggy. But then you trouble gab also. Mind your own. Focus where you focus. Connection without money, you're wasting your time. Connection cannot work without money. I just want you to use that in your thinking faculty. For those of you who are deceived, make it day dear. They just wanna untiga bataka. I beg you like this, Biabuogi. Back again, putting on him.
For who called Ebuka Obi and who did not call Ebuka Obi, looking for that and that. And that is the reason all these things are happening. That is the reason. Because accusations went and mingled with all these kind of people. People that do not know.
Idiot, I want to get mingle with. When you have nothing to offer. Nothing good comes out of you than to come on Facebook and talk rubbish. Do you have any idea? Do you have anything good with? Only Allah sorry mingle with is none of your business. You cannot choose an adult, a friend to mingle around with. Mingle around with it, Kegi. You cannot choose an adult to mingle with. Basagi. I don't know why this my friendship with the piano man. And when the people are more highly connected, the more than people are mad. Just that akoputara and declare his stand. J create a friendship. Ako has found me worthy, and I has found him worthy. We have decided to understand each other and appreciate each other as brothers and sisters. Amami here we won. When my husband traveled, I made sure that Omitriako is a family bond we have created. We're gonna deal with it. I don't know why you guys cannot understand the simple thing is that friendship is not by force. The thing I know, when they fake account, stay away from Ogechi. When they can't bomb, stay away from Ogechi. I can stay away from Ako. Ako the problem anyway. Stay away from Ako. Only a bacham na sago tell Ako na sago go tell me. Now so the thing day. If you talk finish, I go cause you. I go screenshot the message, send it to them. He go screenshot his own, send it to me. So make una know the waste on our time. He has come to stay. He has come to stay. Everything is not money. Friendship is priceless. That is why J-Package no job. You cannot count on him. You cannot count on J-Pack. You feel it? Good.
When to call it a quit. People that do not have the fear of God.
Fear of God.
Say anything concerning a man that was ordained by God.
Imagine.
Look at you. Imagine all that J-Pack said concerning Fad Baka. And a lot of people came to the comment section talking what they do not know. This is not good. So my message is just to let everybody listening to me know that it is not wise for you to start typing because they said this man of God did and da. Always make sure that you found out the truth first. You understand? I just wish that my message will get to you, Evergelist Ebuka Obi. I just wish it will get to you for you to know that the problem you are having or the Zions are having are people around Zion. People around you are the problem you're having. Cut these people off. Concentrate in your ministry and continue.
Madam, go and look for another work. Even your advice is very worthless. You're not even making sense. Go and face your cartoon character. Gachuruwe gogi. Facebook ukwala gogi ji azoro 1 or 2 things really. Ano mshobuda here no shirike. No job. Ji managing ndoge. No they look waiting, no they look you. Mind your business. Yaruma geji go just change your mother tongue in a koeri. Geji eje school. You sharpen your tongue. Akoeri is with akoeri. Stop talking rubbish. Mind your business. Akonobi, you are not the person, you're not in any position to tell whoever or who to associate with. It should not be your concern. Learn how to focus Obodena support. Learn how to focus Mataya Sena support. Stay away from this side. We don't need you. Anya Chologi. Stay there. Remain an enemy. Stay there. It's good you made yourself clear. I don't know why you're coming to it. Who do you want to advance? Guys, I'm going to tomorrow. Can for tomorrow. You know, I'll see you guys tomorrow.